guys, welcome to today's video. It's your girl Laksmy and I am back with a new video. As you have seen on the title of this video, today your girl is going to attempt to do her makeup under 10 minutes. I don't know how it's gonna go because it normally takes me a good 2 hours to do my makeup, but this time I'm gonna do it nice and light. I'm not gonna do like a full glam because the way my time is set up, I don't got the time to do a full glam. So yes, before we start this video, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Laksmy. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button because you, boo, are already part of the family just by clicking on this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up because it really does help out my channel. And if you like this video, go ahead and share it because sharing is caring and I care about you and you care about me. So yes, without further ado, if you guys are ready to watch me do my makeup, attempt to do my makeup under 10 minutes, stay tuned. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a timer on this phone because, guys, I'm nervous. I tried doing this before and it was a total failure and I am very, very nervous, but I know I have to get it done, so I believe in myself. I'm gonna go ahead and put the timer. I already did my skincare. If you guys wanna see how I prep my skin before doing my makeup, I'm gonna leave it linked right here. So go ahead and click on that little link and check out how I prep my face prior to doing my makeup. I love it. My makeup comes out looking great every single time. So yes, I'm gonna go ahead and do the timer and then just start off this video. I haven't done anything else but my skincare. I still have to prime and do all the extra stuff. So I'm gonna do that all on here. Do you guys believe in me? Do you guys think I can do this? Because I don't know. I don't know if I can do this. I'm using my daughter's phone to do the timer because I'm filming on my phone today. And I can't put the timer on the phone because then y'all get it. All right, so I'm gonna do 10 minutes and there we go. All right, so I'm gonna start off with my primer. For primer, I'm gonna be using this one. I'm gonna be leaving all these things down below because I honestly don't want to be wasting time. I really, really like this primer. It's by First Aid Beauty, I believe. It's awesome. Guess what? I just realized that I didn't bring a mirror. So I'm basically gonna be doing my makeup and using the camera as a mirror because, yeah. Let me call my boyfriend. Baby, can you bring me my mirror from the table, please? I am such a fraud. I can't even deal with myself. All right, so that is done. Now I am gonna move on to foundation just because, listen, for foundation, I'm gonna be using this one right here. Again, I will be leaving it linked down below. Thanks, you're a lifesaver. Alrighty, now I have a mirror. We're saved. We've been saved. I'm gonna pump this on a mirror like this and I'm gonna grab this brush and just start painting my face. Oh my God, I got 8 minutes, y'all. Y'all, help me. Oh my God, I didn't do my brows. Okay, so obviously this video is gonna be a failure. You know what? No, it's not. No, it's not. I have to believe that I'm gonna make it and I'm gonna make it. What have you guys been up to lately? Let me know in the comments, chat with me. What have you guys been doing? How have you guys been entertaining yourselves? What state do you guys live in and is your state open is what I want to know, because I think my state is gonna close up again. PA numbers here are rising for COVID-19 and it ain't looking the best. People are out here doing the mostest and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and blend it with my favorite beauty sponge. This one is from e.l.f. Causemetics. If you guys have been on my channel for a hot minute, you guys know I love this sponge. I rave about it like crazy. It is the best thing out there, better than freaking, I said out there, out there. It's better than the Beauty Blender, which I have also. And it's a fraction of the price. Honestly, this sponge is like $5 and the Beauty Blender is $20. Sis, who you fooling? Who you fooling, sis? I don't think this foundation matches me the best right now, but we're gonna roll with the punches. All right, so we're gonna move on to concealing. I'm gonna be using this one. Is from Juvia's Place. It's one of my new favorites. I'm not gonna go ham on it just because this one is very, very pigmented. And yes, for blending it, I'm gonna go in with the Beauty Blender with the pointy side and just blend that baby in. I can't believe I didn't do my brows. I normally do my brows before I do my foundation just because I use the Anastasia brow pomade, this dip brow pomade, and it holds on better and lasts longer if I don't apply it on top of my cream, which is my foundation. So I don't know how long my brows are gonna last now that I did it like this, but oh my God, I got 6 minutes. I'm gonna start talking to you guys because y'all distracting me. Why y'all distracting me like that? I thought we were supposed to be homies. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. I'm gonna see how far I can make it. Hopefully I can make it the whole way. For setting, I'm gonna be using this setting powder by Juvia's Place again. It's one of my favorite ones. I'm gonna just pick that up and lightly bake. I'm not really gonna do the most. I'm kind of setting instead of baking. Kids are always doing the most. I'm gonna be using this bronzer back right here by Morphe, and I'm gonna go in with my bronzing brush. What are you doing, Kenna? Mommy's filming. What? But you just ate. You wanna eat cereal now? You got your edges laid? Who did your edges? Guys, look at her edges! So cute. I'll be right there. I'll be right there. Go, because I have to finish this video, okay? How much time do I have left? I have 4 minutes. All right, I have 4 minutes, so I have to move on. I have to move on. Let me go ahead and do my brows. This is what's gonna kill me. This is what's gonna take up all of my time, the brows. Or not. They're gonna look jacked up though, because I'm not really doing the most. Guys, I have to get these eyebrows waxed. Eunice, where are you, Eunice? Where are you, Eunice? I need my brows done. I need my brows done. All right, the brows are done. That's the best I can do right now, so I'm gonna just proceed to move on. Let me dust off some of that powder, even though I'm using the wrong brush, but whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and proceed to blush. I'm gonna be using this one by Fenty Beauty. This is one of their new cream blushes. I'm gonna use the butt part of my beauty blender and just pick some of that blush up and just pounce it on my cheeks. Pounce it on my cheeks. Yo, will I make it? Will I make it? I'm so sorry, you guys. I just got a freaking call and I'm filming on my phone from the school district. Why y'all calling me? It's summertime. Like, why y'all even open at this point? All right, so that's done. For eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using this palette right here. This is the Violet Voss Berry Burst palette in fun size. This is what the shades look like. Super, super pretty. And I'm gonna go in with this brush right here. My God. I'm gonna go in with the first shade and just put that all over my eyelid. If you guys wonder what this brush is, you probably recognize it. This is one of the brushes from the Jeffree Star Morphe collaboration. I really like these brushes. Super cute. I'm just gonna put that all over the lid. Oh my God, you guys, I think I'm running out of time. I'm having a heart attack. I'm gonna hyperventilate. Will I make it? Will I make it? What do you think? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Help me out. I swear to you, my eyes are gonna look like straight up gaga by the end of this video, but whatever. All right, so I'm gonna go in with this beautiful shimmer shade right here. I don't know the name. And I'm gonna just apply that on the lid. Ooh, that's so pretty. That goes perfectly with my dress. Or does it? Yes, it does. Now I'm gonna blend it in with that same eyeshadow brush. Just blend it in a little bit so it doesn't look too separated and too harsh. Ooh, she cute. All right, so I'm gonna move into mascara. How much time do I have left? 18 seconds, you guys. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
Oh, I didn't make it. No.
All right, so I clearly didn't win this challenge, but it is what it is. I did a good part. All I had left to do was my lip and my setting spray and my highlighter. So I had 3 more steps to do, but it's all good. I did a good bit. So yes, I'm gonna just continue to do the rest of my makeup on camera and just get it going. For mascara, what I used was this. This is one of my new favorite ones. This is the It Cosmetics. I always call it It Cosmetics. It's the Thrive Causemetics. This is the liquid lash extensions in Brynn, which is the black one. I think they might have a brown one. I am not sure, but I love, love, love this mascara. It's super, super cool, super, super good. And what is next? What is next? I said highlighter. So for highlighter, I'm gonna be using this one right here from Artis Couture. This is the Purple Dream. Super beautiful highlight. Super, super beautiful. It looks gold. I don't know why. It's such a trippy highlight, honestly. I'm gonna pick up the one from the lid because it is very intense, and I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like. You guys see that? Ah, it's like a purple dream. So pretty, so, so pretty. Super freaking pigmented, super intense. So for this, I seriously like need a light hand. Look at that. Ooh, that's so dreamy. So dreamy. So, so dreamy. I'm gonna pick up a little bit of this with a smaller brush and put it on the inner corner of my eye. Ooh, that's so pretty. Honestly, Artis Couture has some of the best loose powder highlights I have ever tried in my life. Like legit, the best. Legit. And the thing is that when I put this on, it lasts all day. How pretty. I can't deal. Let me go ahead and clean my crusty foundation lips with my makeup eraser cloth. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some Fenty gloss. These are my favorite glosses of all time. I've never been a gloss girl. If you've been on my channel for a while, you guys know that I never liked glosses until Fenty released these, and oh, these are the best. This one is the Fussy, and these are called the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. Yep, Gloss Bomb. And this one is in the shade Fuzzy, which is like the light pink one. So pretty. They smell so freaking delicious, and they're not sticky, and they last on the lips. Best glosses ever. All right, this is what my face is looking like. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just set my face with my setting spray. This one is the Mattifying setting spray by Cover FX. This one is relatively new. I haven't really been using this one for long. I went into, was it Ulta? Yeah, I went into Ulta needing a setting spray, but I wanted something matte because you guys know I'm a matte-aholic, and they recommended this one, so hopefully it does a good job. If you guys are interested in this beautiful fan, I linked it on my very first Amazon favorites video, so I'm gonna also link it right here for you guys if you guys want to go ahead and cop this baby. Best thing ever. All right, you guys, so that concludes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel. We are on the road to 10K in 2020. I have a massive 10 winner giveaway coming up when we reach our 10K goal for this year. And you're not ready. You're not ready for these prizes. I'm gonna select 10 winners for our 10K. So go ahead and join the squad, join the Excited Squad. Sound off in the comments. Let me know what other videos you guys would like to see next. Also, I'm gonna be leaving here my other social media platforms. Go ahead and follow me on there. Let me know in the comments of my pictures. You guys are part of the Excited Squad. Gang. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.